Hello, in this video we test create line method. Here we create a region for private fields. Now we add all private fields. These fields use mock library and create mock objects. We create a field for main window class. Now we add a constructor in our test class. In the constructor, we initialize all fields one by one. We initialized all fields in the constructor. Now we initialize the viewModel field. In the first parameter, we pass the object property of the mock event aggregator field. In the second parameter, we pass the object property of mock container field. In the third parameter, we pass the object property of the mock conversion helper field. After this, we set values of start point view model and end point view new model properties, the view model field, to respective object property of mock fields. Here we add a region for our test method. Set the name of the region as test method create line, as shown. Here we create a test function. Now we add the fact attribute. This attribute tells the test runner that this is a test method. A test method is divided into three parts: arrange, act, assert. In the arrange part, we set up everything required to test. First, we create a variable of sketch segment type. Now, we select the setup method of the mock sketch manager field. In the setup method, we create a lambda function. In the lambda function, we pass the SM field. Then we set up the create line method from this SM field. We define this create line method will take double type values while testing. Our test runner passes double values in the parameters of the create line method. After this setup, we define the return values of the createLine method. In IST, we want to return a null object of sketch segment type. The createLine method. This completes the arrange part of our test method. If you have any doubt, please watch this section again, since this is very important. Now we create a bool type variable. Here, we are unable to access our test method. To fix this, we need to change the access modifier of the createLine method from the viewModel class. Now, the createLine method is visible in our test class. Then we add parameter values as visible in the video. This completes the act part of our test class. In the assert part, we check the results. We expect the value of the result variable will be false. Then we check the value of the message to show variable in the viewModel class. This field is not accessible. We need to make it visible to our test class. We also check the close all documents method and the exit app method run one time. Now we add our second test method. In this method, the createLine method from the viewModel returns successfully and creates a line. Copy and paste the previous test method as shown. Change the name of the second method to match the scenario we want to test. Remove the sketch segment variable, since we don't need this. Update the return value with the object property of the mock sketch segment field. Update the first parameters of the createLine method from the viewModel. Update the assert part, as shown in the video. We also check the close all documents method and the exit app method run never. Here we build our solution. This error shows our test class should have the public modifier, not the internal modifier. Again, build the solution, and this time we don't have any error. Now, open Test Explorer from the View menu of Visual Studio. If it is not visible, both of the tests are now visible in Test Explorer. After running the tests, both of them got failed. When we inspect, we found that there is a null object error coming. Upon closer look in the Test Explorer error, we found that the error is coming in the constructor of the ViewModel class. To fix this, we need to remove the two lines. For now. Now, we rerun all tests, and the second test got successful. We debugged the test method and found that the sketch segment variable is creating a COM exception. To fix this issue, we set the value of the sketch segment variable to null. Now we rerun all tests, and this time our test failed during the assertion. The text we are comparing with the message to show variable is slightly different. We fix this, and now try again. This time, all tests run successfully. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.